Maybe we had a chance, but my opinion is today we make a lot of mistakes, and in the end this is clearly a win for USA because we don't deserve to win today. They play amazing first or second set also, but in some moment we catch them just for 3-4 points in a row, and that's our game. In the end of second set, unfortunately we lost, and that was the crash for us. After this we don't wake up, and what I can say, we miss a lot of service, and in tough game like this it's impossible to win. Today we play maybe the worst our game because a lot of mistake, and now it's really difficult situation for us because now we need to win 2 games with 3 points, and also we need to wait some good results for us, and it's not impossible, but we will see.
You know, it was difficult to get going and to play at our level, and you could see in the first set we didn't start so well, and we lost, and the second set was close and could have gone either way, and I'm happy that we had success and we won, and we continue to play better as the match went on, and we got the win. Definitely. I think anytime in these long tournaments, it's not easy to get going, especially in the group that we had. It was every match was very difficult. So you know, it wasn't the best start, but we're playing better and better each match, and we're showing our game, our Team USA. So I'm happy for that.